All right, folks, we're live here at the ARA in Las Vegas at the Chivari booth. The show is about to start in a few minutes. We have so much to show you. Look at all these great chairs. Let's go into our booth. We got Larry setting up, everybody's setting up, getting ready. Look at our world's best cushions. Got incredible selection of brand new cushions, including our new Slipknot cushions. You're gonna ask about those. Of course, we've got our steel skeleton chairs. You gotta come check them out. Incredible colors, incredible finishes, all here at our ARA show. Now we've got a great new world premiere chair, and I've got Shawn here, our founder. Shawn, we're live here at the ARA show. Can you tell us a little bit about this new chair in front of you?
Yes, happy to. We all love the bamboo folding chair. It's very, very beautiful, but it has some weaknesses. So what we've done is we've created a resin bamboo folding chair with steel skeleton. So this skeleton is inside. And yes, it is in pieces, but it's joined together beautifully with great strength inside. And this part, which is the weakest part of the chair, because people sit and they often put their feet on it, and it snaps pretty easily. Here, this can hold 178 pounds of armor. This can probably only hold about 20 pounds.
So this is brand new, and boy, just visually, you almost can't tell the difference between the two. Can you show us the two side by side here? Oh, that's beautiful, Shawn. All right, folks, come out, check out the world premiere of our exclusive, Chivari exclusive, bamboo resin folding chair with a steel skeleton, the strongest bamboo chair in the world. See it today at the ARA show. Come visit the Chivari booth at the ARA show, booth 511. Thanks, guys.